Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to use where clause. Okay, so at present we have our database use learn and grow. We have to run this command whenever we try to add any query to use particular database. Okay, so in this database we have created one table which is employee one. So how to create table and how to add values in it, you can go to the description box and click on the links below which is covered in the previous video. So let's see what is there in our table. Select asterisk from employee, we have to run this query. Okay, so this is the data we have in our table. For this, select asterisk from employee 1 where department is equals to database. Remember one thing, whenever we try to like a particular column which is having string, we have to mention it in using the single quote. Okay, now we'll run this. How the execution works. Execution starts from clause. It will search the table name from the database, which is employee one, and after that it will search for the select clause. Select asterisk means all the data. We have fetched all the columns in our table where department is equals to database. It will go in department and it will go in department search for the database department. Okay, now let's experiment using the where clause. Okay, select asterisk from employee 1 where employee ID is 234. Let's see. Okay, so we have Stephen with employee ID is 234. So can we use greater than less than? Let's see. Let's run this query. Select asterisk from employee 1 where employee salary is greater than 40,000. We have 3 employees who have salary greater than 30,000, 40,000. Same goes with less than. Sorry, my bad. I haven't selected. Okay, now, so we don't have any employee whose salary is less than. Okay, let's see this. Select asterisk. Okay, we have 2 employees whose salary is less than 50,000. Okay, so that's all for the video. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much.